Guys, I'm honored today to do this one. 517 Pierremont Circle in Shreveport, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,332 square foot. It has been completely gutted and remodeled, super modern. It's located in the heart of Pierremont around beautiful estates, large lot, and this one also has a mother-in-law suite. Can't wait to show it to you. This beautifully remodeled home blends timeless curb appeal with a completely modern interior. Crisp white brick, dark shutters, and a classic front porch framed by mature trees set the tone for what you're about to find inside. A total transformation done right. As you step inside, you'll notice the bright open layout. Natural light, smooth neutral colors, and new luxury flooring make every space feel fresh and inviting. The living room is large and flexible, perfect for entertaining or relaxing with family. The dual ceiling fans and recessed lighting keep it comfortable year-round. At the heart of the home is this stunning kitchen centered around a massive quartz island with room for everyone to gather. Custom white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and sleek services give the space a designer look while staying warm and functional. Even the pantry was reimagined. Custom floating shelves maximize every inch of space. Just beyond, a cozy den features a painted brick fireplace flanked by custom built-ins, which is a perfect blend of style and storage. Down the hall, you'll find additional bedrooms that are bright, spacious, and freshly carpeted. Each one features new fixtures, crown molding, and large windows overlooking the yard. One bedroom even has its own private door to the backyard, which is ideal for a guest suite or a home office. The hall bath carries the same upscale finishes: marble-style tile, quartz vanity, and a fully tiled shower tub combo with niche detailing. Clean, classic, and brand new from top to bottom. Now, the primary suite is truly a retreat. Generous in size, full of natural light, and is tucked privately toward the rear of the home. The ensuite bath impresses with a walk-in shower wrapped in marble-look tile, built-in seating, and dual niches. In the closet, it is a showpiece, custom built with a center island, shelving, and elegant lighting. It's the kind of space you'd expect to see in a much higher price point. Upstairs, you'll find even more flexible living space, perfect for teens, for guests, or an office setup. Each room is freshly updated with new carpet, ceiling fans, and crisp trim work. The upstairs bath continues the home's clean, modern feel with marble patterned tile, quartz counters, and dual sinks, connecting seamlessly between both upstairs bedrooms. Now, the backyard offers plenty of shade and room to grow, perfect for kids, pets, or that future outdoor kitchen. The brick walkway and patio create a natural spot for grilling, relaxing, or hosting family gatherings. With a fenced lot, classic character, and fresh modern updates, this space is ready for your outdoor vision, from a garden to a play area or a future pool. And just off the main home, this private mother-in-law house adds incredible flexibility. It's fully finished with its own entrance, vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, and a cozy brick fireplace, giving it true standalone comfort. The suite includes a modern kitchenette, a full bathroom, and plenty of natural light, perfect for extended families, guests, or even a private home office or studio. With its own private backyard patio, this space blends privacy and connection and is an ideal complement to the main home. Guys, thanks for touring with me today at 517 Pierremont in Shreveport in the heart of South Highlands and Pierremont. You can check us out on the web, teamlytle.com. You can text or call us at 318 888-286-5511, or you can check out this video and all upcoming listing videos that we have on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.